In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your date of birth e-file reject in TurboTax. If your tax return was rejected because of a date of birth issue, don't worry. This is usually something simple to correct, and you can often fix it in just a few minutes by reviewing your personal information carefully. The goal here is to make sure the date of birth entered in TurboTax matches exactly what's on file where it needs to match. To get started, open your TurboTax return and go to the My Info section. This area contains your personal details, and that's where you'll be able to review the information tied to your filing. If your e-file was rejected for date of birth, this is the first place you want to check. Once you're in My Info, look for the option that says Revisit. Click on Revisit to open the section where your personal details can be edited. This will take you back into the profile information that was originally entered, so you can confirm. Everything is correct. Now find the date of birth field and edit it. Even if it already looks right at first glance, it's a good idea to click into the field and verify the full date carefully, including the month, day, and year. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, number transpositions, or formatting issues. If needed, re-enter the date so you know it has been saved correctly. Take your time here, because even a very small error can trigger an e-file rejection. After updating or confirming the date of birth, keep clicking. Continue through the following screens. This is important because simply editing the field is not always enough on its own. You want to move forward through the prompts so TurboTax saves the change properly and updates your return. Continue until you've fully exited that section. As you go through the continue screens, pay attention to any additional personal information that appears. While this process is focused on the date of birth, it's also a good opportunity to quickly confirm that the rest of your basic details are accurate. Once you've done that, your correction should be in place, and you'll be ready to move forward with filing again. If the original rejection was caused by an incorrect date of birth entry, this update should help resolve it. That's it. Go to My Info, click Revisit, edit the date of birth, and keep clicking Continue until the changes are saved. It's a quick fix, but an important one, and taking a moment to review the details carefully can save you time and frustration when you resubmit your return.